have Other Disco. Other Disco, are you ready? He hit the button, he must be ready. And in the red square, we have the cute, nice, unoffensive Kitty Cat. Are you ready, Kitty Cat? He's right, ready, meow. In 3 minutes you have. Fight, robots, fight! Oh, Moses! Kitty Cat Disco with a huge initial fight hit. Oh my goodness! Kitty Cat showing no mercy to Disco, hitting him while he's down. However, his blade has stopped spinning. Disco desperately trying to right himself. Oh no, there is the belt on Kitty Cat. Kitty Cat's weapon is disabled. However, Disco cannot right himself and is reduced to trying to chase Kitty Cat around. Oh my goodness, there's a racing stripe down the floor, right into the wall. Disco, oh my god, oh no! Oh no! 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4,